there. What's going on? I thought that was a person.
I was just calling you back because earlier I remember we were gonna look.
That was nice.
Do you feel any pressure?
Some Peachy. Race boots. I think I wanted me a pair of these, but they were just so small. Like they just fit was too tight. So I knew what Alpine Stars I've been rocking with. And they see. Even though I'm doing some ditches. So they should have my helmets that I reserved put to the side. I'm gonna test fit. Test fit both of them and see which one I like the best. And I don't want a new helmet because my current helmet just puts them against my glasses, not safe. What's going on, guys? So real quick, I'm trying to help you save some money. You see this, the satin red, the flat black. You can have that too. Just use my discount code when you go to Auctmarts.com and save yourself some money and help the channel because I need a new helmet. My head is smaller, my helmet's too big, and it's smashing up against my glasses. That's not safe. I want to show you guys more content, so help me do that. Use discount code and hit the link below. Okay, yeah, nah, I need full face. I just feel nope. A bug smacked me in the face yesterday while I was riding. Man, that was not fun. These are active tint photochromic technology. So basically, in the daytime, it's clear. I mean, daytime is dark, then it becomes clear at night. So this is the Systema 2X.
She's out there?
I thought I had it.
Next session.
Oh, okay.
You're all good.
Super tight. Giant fence in the front. Love that. Oh, it's so pretty.
Patience to it, my man.
Oh, thank you. I might knock it out.
Yeah, sure.
What's that? What was up?
Good.
Really tight around the cheeks, but full face helmet. It's not modular. This actually fits better than Systema too. Gotta take it off. Get my big head in and out of it. Gentlemen, I think we have a winner. Alright, gentlemen, so we're going with the Strata 2. This is on clearance closeout. So we're getting it for a great deal. And since we're getting a great deal, we're getting the chromatic face shield to go with it. So look forward to that video. Alright, guys.
Yeah.
New helmet. My man Ivan over here helping me out. Cycle Gear. This is Cycle Gear Plano. So go online, check them out, and they'll get you taken care of. Or you can ship it to you Cycle Gear near you. But I just have to come out here and check out too. Left with one. New helmet. So I will feel more comfortable, more confident when I'm riding and I'm getting on it because I can see it. And I'll show you guys what I mean about my obstructed view. Here's my built Technical helmet, techno helmet, 3.0. That's what I would see. That's how big this helmet is now, not even lost the weight. In my old built Techno 3.0. So you know what I mean? You understand why it's okay to sometimes bite the bullet and splurge. Fellas, ladies, you can help me by going to Auctmarts.com using my promo code here on the screen and listed below. It'll save you some money on your next fairing kit, or even if you don't want a full fairing kit, you just need the front, the side, the rear, tank cover. You can hit their line. Use my discount code. That's going to save you some bread and help support the channel, and also the cost of bike life, because you know bike life is expensive. I'm going to keep bringing you what I do, going through the journey of owning a motorcycle, an older motorcycle, a 99 CBR 600F4, getting it back up to speed. It's not yet done. It needs a lot more work. It needs to be spruced up. You know, I want to break it down, possibly paint it, and all other cool stuff, and I cannot do that without your support. So be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, and also my discount codes and those links. Because man,
Sucker to rob.